Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to know about DigitalOcean. So what is it? It is a unique cloud hosting provider that offers cloud computing services to business entities so that they can scale themselves by deploying DigitalOcean applications that run parallel across multiple cloud servers without compromising on performance. So let us go back. In January 2018, DigitalOcean achieved the title of being the third largest cloud hosting company in the world in terms of web-facing computers. DigitalOcean Infrastructure is a leading cloud service provider based in the United States of America. Their headquarters operates from New York City, and their data centers are prevalent in every corner of the world in order to provide seamless cloud services across the globe. DigitalOcean make it simple to launch in the cloud and scale up as you grow, whether you are running one virtual machine or 10,000. It is scalable compute platform with add-on storage, security, and monitoring capabilities. So, what's in the store for you guys? Let us talk about seamless management of infrastructure. First up is droplets. You must be wondering what actually is a droplet. This terminology is very frequently used and associated with everything related to DigitalOcean's infrastructure. But what does it mean? Droplets are basically flexible Linux-based virtual machines that run on top of virtualized hardware. Each droplet you create is a new server for you. Now, there are three different kinds of droplet that are currently being offered by DigitalOcean, which are standard droplets, general purpose performance droplets, and CPU optimized performance droplets. Next is managed databases. It has worry-free setup and maintenance, is highly scalable, and has free daily backups. Also, automated failover, it is fast, has reliable performance. Lastly, it also has end-to-end security. Next is spaces. You get to bring your backups to DigitalOcean's reliable, predictable cloud storage and have a backup as much as you need to. They have simplified the essentials of object storage to save your time. Simply name your space and tap the create button and you're ready to go in seconds. Also, ideas are meant to evolve and expand, not conform to storage limitations. Spaces provide scalable storage so your project always have a room to grow. You can combine different spaces with other DigitalOcean products or use it as a standalone service, whichever suits your needs. We have next as Kubernetes. Now, you can develop and iterate more rapidly with easy application. Deployment can release updates and manage your apps and services. Kubernetes knows the compute, memory, and storage resources each application needs and schedules instances across the cluster to maximize resource efficiency. You can even automate applications deployments, monitoring, instance replication, cluster scheduling, and seamless application releases. Kubernetes routinely checks the health of your applications to detect and replace instances that are not responsive. Applications deployed to DigitalOcean Kubernetes can run anywhere, as Kubernetes is supported, making it easy to deploy across environments and clouds. Here comes Load Balancer. With this, you can improve the availability, performance, and scalability. Load balancers automatically provision and renew SSL certificates free of charge through Let's Encrypt. Load balancers also support HTTP2, providing better performance for the users. It is simple to set up, automatically pass a client's IP address and port through your droplets, and even compatible with DigitalOcean Kubernetes. Next is block storage. With this, your data is stored on hardware, separated from your droplet and replicated multiple times across different racks, reducing the chances of data loss in case of hardware failure. It can easily scale block storage from 1 GB up to 16 TB. Also, one can resize them if there is a need of more space, and even one can move them between droplets. All your data is encrypted at rest and transmitted to the droplets over isolated networks. Last is one-click apps. DigitalOcean's one-click install apps allow you to spin up a droplet with certain features pre-installed, which lets you get your application off the ground quickly. Now, at the moment, DigitalOcean has 12 data centers at key locations that allow them to serve a significant chunk of global users. In the map above, you can see the list of the currently operational data centers: New York City, San Francisco, Toronto, London, Frankfurt, Amsterdam, Singapore, and Bangalore. Now, in a world full of cloud service providers, the question arises that why choose DigitalOcean infrastructure? So, the first point is the simplicity. Its user interface is aesthetic, functional, and without all the bells and whistles that complicate things for the new user. It provides simple and minimalistic APIs for your convenience. It has intuitive and conveniently packaged services. Second is community. One of the best things DigitalOcean Cloud Platform offers is an active digital community that helps by answering queries and holding feedback discussions so everybody can benefit from them. DigitalOcean infrastructure has always incorporated new cutting-edge technologies, even if they have not matured completely. Their community experts are there to help you with their bundle of knowledge so that you can enjoy the freedom of mobility with little to no restriction at all. Third is service. Yes, DigitalOcean provides heartfelt support and unparalleled service. You can get help with your cloud account, product, or service issues anytime and always. And the fourth is, of course, open source. It gives open source advantages in cloud native architecture. And who can miss Hacktoberfest, which is an event for the open source community that runs almost a month long. DigitalOcean powers it with the association of GitHub. Hacktoberfest hosts like-minded open source developers who work diligently in order to contribute to the betterment of the developing community across the globe. Together, I would say DigitalOcean makes it simple to launch in the cloud and scale up as you grow, whether you are running a one virtual machine or 10,000. So, on that note, you shouldn't need to take a course to learn how to use your cloud provider. The platform of DigitalOcean is architectured to support cloud native apps and make modern app development as easy and open as possible. So, what are you waiting for? Try DigitalOcean today and grab your $100 60 days free trial.